All right, so this is one of the biggest surprises I got here at the show was the rolling refrigerator pack out cooler over here. So we're gonna go check that out right now.
All right, hey guys, this is our new M18 30-quart Jobsite rolling fridge. When we were talking to users in the field about hydration, we heard a lot of frustrations with both traditional coolers and electric coolers that they're using today. Now, a couple things we heard ice maintenance, we heard durability and mobility are not great on some of the current solutions. So what we're doing here with our M18 fridge is a truly refrigerated system. You're able to cool down to -4, having things like water bottles or electrolyte pops, whatever you need for your crew to stay hydrated and productive on the job. You can power this fridge with M18 batteries, AC power, and DC, so no matter where you are, you have power available. With one 5.0 battery, you can get up to 8.5 hours of active cooling and then 16 hours of retention as it's cooled down, over 24 hours of total cooling performance. Now, if you look over here, you can also use two M18 batteries. We have two 12.0s there. Something like that would get you over 2.5 days of total cooling performance. Now, we knew cooling wasn't the only part of the story, so what we did here was a ground-up design with our users in the field. You have things like an all-steel handle, durable hinges, and a 9-inch all-terrain wheels, and PACKOUT compatibility to make it really easy to bring around the job site and survive. So, if you look here, you grab it, super easy. Not only is it going to survive on the job, but you're also going to be able to bring hydration no matter where you need. The M18 30-quart rolling job site fridge is coming in May of 2027, delivers ice-cold performance, all-terrain, all day.
So this video is all about staying cool. Next up, we're going to check out the Milwaukee M18 misting fan.
Hey, how's it going today? I'm excited to introduce to you the new M18 misting fan. Now, we've heard heat is beginning to be a larger problem on site, impacting comfort, focus, and productivity. Safety managers and users have started telling us, hey, I need a better way to mitigate that heat, reduce fatigue, as well as to keep my users dialed while they're performing those technical tasks. Really, all they're doing on site right now is dumping water on themselves or having to travel across to a break station or a cooling location for themselves. So what we did here is we are delivering a high-performance cooling, coverage, and versatile fan right at your site of work. Now, current solutions on the market are really soaking the users and their workspace. So we optimized the droplet size on this and backed it with 3 different misting modes. You have a high mode, a low mode, and then a timed 15-second on, 15-second off mode that allows you to get that evaporative cooling piece. Now, knowing that those work areas really vary, we included 3 different oscillation modes to help with coverage, and I'm talking break tents all the way to your in-task locations. So we have 60 degrees, 120, and 180, allowing you to cover up to 350 square feet with this fan. Now, if we walk over here, water was always a complaint of where am I gonna get my water on site? So we made a 3-in-1 water pickup system for you. You can, filter from your 1-gallon tank here. This 1-gallon tank also has a 5-gallon bucket cutout, so this can sit right onto any standard 5-gallon bucket, as well as we put a cutout right on the base of your fan too. Drop that siphon hose right in the bucket, and you're ready to rip there. We made this siphon hose be able to adapt to any standard garden hose as well. You can pull that right from the garden hose. This can bypass your pump and or turn your pump on if you want some of that more power out of the pump there. With this 1-gallon tank, it allows this fan to get where other current solutions can't. We're fully sealed, as well as PACKOUT compatible, and this weighs in only at 8 pounds when full. This allows you to get down into those different crawl spaces, manholes, bring this up to roofs. You can attach a rope right to your handle here. This really lets this get where those conventional systems can't go. Now, this guy's going to be shipping to you with that high-performance cooling, coverage, and versatility in March of 2027 at that $249 price point.
Very cool. Warranties or anything like that?
Warranty, we're going to have a full 3-year warranty on this.
Okay, maintenance.
Maintenance, yeah, let's talk about it.
Let's talk about it.
So we know water sources always vary. Kind of where you live you might have high calcification in your water. So we're going to give you a full service piece here. You can make a 1-to-1 water to vinegar solution. If your hose gets calcified or clogged up, you can run that through your hose. You can take this misting nozzle out. This is fully removable. You can put it in that solution as well, or just run this through your fan to help clear out that nozzle. Your tank, if any mold ever happens in the tank, if it didn't get fully siphoned out, if you'd had a little bit of water left in that tank when you stored it, 1-to-1 water vinegar solution or a non-scented soap's really going to help clean that out for you as well. We have a full service door on the base here for your pump. If anything were to happen to that pump within your 3-year warranty, take these 6 screws out, order that service part, and you can replace this yourself without having to send the fan into us. Now, one last thing here on the back. So you have your battery door that keeps everything fully sealed. We have an integrated AC adapter as well, so you can plug any extension cord in here, as well as a pass-through for your extension cord, allowing you to stay fully sealed.
Very cool.
So we're gonna make sure you guys have all the literature, all the service on this fan, so you can stay cool and keep this fan running all year and all summer.
And that comes with accessories or no?
So this is gonna come with your fan, your tank, and then that hose that's gonna come on the fan as well. Just no battery on this one.